Hello viewers, this is Long to Censor Studio. I will report on the Israel-Iran war. This video shows the moment of Iran's airstrike on Tel Aviv. According to reports, an airstrike by Iran injured 137 people in Israel. This video shows the impact at Soroka Hospital in Beersheba, where dozens were reportedly injured. The Israeli military released footage of an airstrike on Iran's Arak nuclear plant, showing an instantaneous explosion. The International Atomic Energy Agency explained that the reactor targeted by Israel was the Kendab research reactor, which was still under construction, so there was no radioactive leakage. The Israeli military conducted airstrikes on missile facilities and Iranian forces in western Iran. 20 Israeli fighter jets reportedly attacked trucks carrying ballistic missiles. According to the Israeli military, about 2/3 of Iran's missile launchers were destroyed. This is footage of an Iranian drone being shot down in the Jordan region. Israel has announced that it will not allow Al Jazeera to broadcast in Israel. They say it's because Al Jazeera's reporting poses a threat to security. In addition, they have requested that people who watch Al Jazeera also be reported. Israel's defense minister, Minister Katz, stated that there will be no more negotiations with Iran and that Khamenei will not survive. He also said that people like Khamenei should not exist. Israel's defense minister Katz stated that removing Khamenei is a goal of the current operation. Iran's foreign minister stated that if the United States intervenes to support Israel, they will learn a lesson, and that all military options are being considered. Begum Saeed, a standing member of Iran's National Security Committee, said blocking the Strait of Hormuz, a passage for 20% of the world's daily oil, is an option. The United Kingdom is contemplating different scenarios related to a potential war with Iran. The United States Embassy in Israel announced in a statement that it has ordered its staff to evacuate as hostilities with Iran continue. The United States Embassy in Israel added that the United States State Department is working to ensure the departure of American citizens. Reports suggest the United States is hesitating to intervene in the Iran-Israel conflict. It is said that President Trump is unsure whether dropping a bunker buster could completely destroy the Fordow nuclear facility, which is considered the core of Iran's nuclear facilities. The guided bomb unit, 57, can destroy the Fordow nuclear facility. Bunker buster bombs alone cannot penetrate deep underground. They would only collapse tunnels and bury the facility. President Trump is currently weighing his options according to the report that came in. Bulgaria has withdrawn its embassy in Tehran, Iran. Chinese President Xi Jinping had a phone call with Russian President Vladimir Putin and urged major powers to help ease tensions with Iran. This took place as President Trump was considering United States involvement. During a phone call, the Kremlin said the two leaders denounced Israel's actions against Iran, and Putin offered to propose mediation again. 20 South Koreans and their families staying in Iran have safely evacuated to Turkmenistan. They traveled overland to Turkmenistan on June 18. Currently, due to the closure of Iranian airspace, they were unable to use commercial flights and had to travel by land. This concludes the video. Thank you.